Direct Mail Manager integrates with many popular software programs. It's the easiest way to get a list into the system. Here you can see we're connected to HighRise, and the filters are the same as you're used to seeing in your application. I'm going to pick a tag, which is set up in HighRise, called March Leads, and the connection will pull over the data from my HighRise account and show me I have 12 people that fit that criteria. You can click the Show Names button to show more details and to deselect any of the people in the list. You can also pick multiple filters to get the exact names. Once you have what you want, name the list. I'm going to name this one March Leads HighRise, and I'm going to click Save this list. At that point, the names are moved into my campaign launcher. From here, it has the list name. You can see how many names are in the list, and I'm going to choose which campaign to send them. I have two campaigns in here. The first one is a 4x6. It calculates the cost and the cost per piece. I have a 5x8 campaign. You can see it's a little bit more expensive for the larger card. Make sure I have enough funds in my balance, and I click Mail to List. Say OK, and I'm done.